Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beans for English breakfast. Choose dried beans soaked overnight or go canned for speed, then sauté onion and garlic. Add tomato, smoked paprika, stock, and simmer until tender and saucy. Adjust salt and add a splash of vinegar to brighten the flavor. Finish with a knob of butter for gloss, then taste and serve with eggs, toast, and sausages for a classic plate. Gather your ingredients and prep ahead to keep the cooking smooth and relaxed. If using dried beans, soak overnight to reduce cook time and improve texture. For canned beans, drain and rinse to remove excess salt and starchy liquid. Keep stock on hand and measure spices before you start. Chop onion and garlic fine so they melt into the sauce, and premix tomato paste or crushed tomatoes for a consistent flavor base. Cook low and slow for the best beans, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Start by sweating onion and garlic in a little oil or butter until softened but not browned. Add tomato, paprika, and stock, then fold in beans and simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes so flavors marry. Taste and tweak salt, vinegar, or sweetness. Finish with butter for shine and serve hot alongside eggs and toast for a comforting breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.